Hello, everyone. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, Akeem. You are just joining me for the first time. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, like and share my video. I will appreciate if you can do that for me. Now, let's go solving question on the board. The question we have today is on circle geometry. And we have a certain question before us on the board. For you to be able to solve question conveniently, successfully on circle geometry, you need to know all the theorem, all the laws that are used on the circle geometry. Now let's go. Let's look at this question on the board now. Here we have a certain diagram that is given to us from the question. And from the diagram we are given, the figure above is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. So many laws are associated with cyclic quadrilateral. One of the laws is that the opposite side of the cyclic quadrilateral sum of so sum up to 180 degree. What am I talking about? I have an angle here. I have another angle here. If this one is A, surely this one will be B. When you add the two of them together, it will give a supplementary angle. That is, A plus B will be equal to 180 degree. That is the law that is associated with the cyclic quadrilateral. And when you even look at this drawing, when you look at the diagram on the board, you will notice that we have an isosceles angle, and there is also a law that is somehow related to isosceles triangle. And what is that law? It says that the opposite sides of an isosceles triangle are always equal. That means if here is x, definitely here too will be x. Another law that we have to consider when you want to solve this particular question on the board is the angle at the center. The angle at the center is twice that at the circumference. The angle at the center is twice that at the circumference, and that is exactly the point where we are going to start solving this particular question. We have the angle at the center. Angle at the center is twice that at the circumference. If I consider this, that means I have this. This is the angle at the center, and that angle is twice that at the circumference. That is, I'm going to have 88. Angle at the center is twice that at the circumference, A. So from here, I can get the value of A by dividing both sides by 2. If I divide here by 2, I also divide here by 2. 2 will cancel. This implies my A will be equal to 44 degrees. 2 here will give us 44. So my A is equal to 44 degrees. And I also know that the angle, the opposite side of a cyclic quadrilateral are always equal to 180 degrees. That means I'm going to have A plus B is equal to 180 degrees. This implies that I have 44 plus B is equal to 180 degrees. Then I'm going to have my A, B now will now be 180 minus 44, and that will give us 6. 7 minus 4, 3, 136 degree. So therefore, my angle B is now 136 degree. Now, attention now, we now be shifted to JKM. But if you look at the question, we are asked, find JMK. When you are giving something a question of this nature, you must make reference to the angle at the center, to the letter at the center. When you consider the letter at the center, which is this M here, then you will exactly know that we are going to consider this is J, K, M, or JMK. So we are actually looking for this angle X. That is what we are told to find. So we are looking for this angle X. How can we get the angle X? We already know that the base of an isosceles triangle are always equal. That means the angle here will be the same as here. But if you look at this JMK, you will notice that JMK is a triangle, and the sum of angle in a triangle is always equal to 180 degree. That means I'm going to have my B plus X is equal to 180 degree, because the sum of angle in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So this one now will now give us B plus 2X is equal to 180 degree. But we have gotten the value of B at the other side there. So we can just substitute the value of B into this equation. If you do that, you're going to have 136 plus 2X is equal to 180. So plus 2X. So we are going to have 2x now will now be 180 minus 136. 2x will be equal to 44. So you can divide both sides by 2. 2 will cancel. So our x now will now be equal to 22 degree. So therefore, angle JMK will now be equal to 22 degree. As you can see, that solving question on the circle geometry involves you knowing all the laws, all the rules, all the theorem that are associated with circle theorem. Because for you to solve a particular question, you are going to combine as many theorems as possible, as many theorems as you can remember. So we are going to stop here for now. We'll take it off from here next time. God bless you. God bless me.